In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add unsubscribe link Mailchimp. Let's start by opening your browser and heading to Mailchimp's website. Once you're signed in, go to the campaign section. This is where all of your email campaigns live. Find a draft campaign you're working on and open it so we can make the change right inside the email editor. With the draft open, choose Edit and then select Edit Design. This takes you to the drag and drop editor where you control the content of your email. Scroll through your layout to the spot where you want the unsubscribe option to appear. Most senders place this in the footer, so it's easy to find and meets compliance expectations. Click into a text block and type the word unsubscribe. Think of this as the visible word your readers will click. Now, to attach the correct, unique unsubscribe link, look for the Merge Tags option in the editor toolbar. Merge tags are Mailchimp's smart placeholders that generate a personalized link for each recipient. Open the Merge Tags menu, scroll until you find the unsubscribe link option, and insert it. You'll see a special unsubscribe tag appear in your content. Highlight that to tag and cut it from the text. On Windows, press Ctrl+X. On a Mac, press Command+X. Cutting the tag copies it to your clipboard so you can use it as the actual link target. Next, highlight the unsubscribe word you typed earlier. Click the Add Link or Hyperlink button in the toolbar. In the URL field that appears, paste the unsubscribe tag you just cut. This tells Mailchimp to generate each subscriber's unique unsubscribe link behind that word. Confirm the link, and you'll see that unsubscribe is now clickable. Click Save to apply your changes in the editor. Saving is important so the link remains attached to the text when you continue editing or preview your email. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Make sure the word is spelled correctly and clearly visible, ideally with a standard link color so readers recognize it. Using Mailchimp's unsubscribe merge tag is crucial for compliance with email regulations and helps protect your deliverability by giving recipients a simple way to opt out. That's it. Your email now includes a proper unsubscribe link powered by Mailchimp's merge tags, and it's ready for the rest of your edits and sending schedule.